Hey guys, so I'm just here getting ready to go to a festival or sort of a concert. My makeup is pretty much finished. I just need to put some mascara on, and so I'm just going ahead and adding some lipstick, and then I'm going to add some gloss and a little bit of mascara, and then I'll be finished. So it's 5:15 p.m. right now, and we wanted to leave out about 5:30 the latest. So I'm running late, so I need to go hurry and get dressed, and then I'll catch up back with you guys maybe when I'm in the car or maybe after I've gotten dressed. So see you guys in a few. So guys, I'm now in the car and we're on our way to the Latin festival. Oh, Charlie Vlogs from Jamaica will be also performing at this festival. I'm not sure if he performed already because this show started about 1 or 2 o'clock in the afternoon, but we decided to go in the evening. So it's now 3 minutes to 6 and we're gonna reach there about 7 o'clock, I suppose, but it goes up until about 11-12 o'clock in the night, so I didn't want to be there from daytime until in the evening. And the reason why also it was so hot today in the day, it was like really hot, and I didn't want to be out there sweating the entire day. And then afterwards it started to get so the sky became so dark and it seemed as if it was gonna rain. Oh my, it starts to rain now. It starts to rain, I say. So now it looks like it's gonna rain, so let's see what's gonna happen, because if it rains we might as well turn around the car and go back home. And that's the reason why we even came so late, because we were saying, okay, the sky is looking very dark. The weather was very sunny in the morning, and then by about 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock, it started to get so dark, and then we decided that, okay, let's wait until the weather becomes normal again and then we go. And then it became normal for a bit, and then I see the sky getting dark now, and look, we're getting some rain. So I really hope this stops, because I would not want the festival to be over because of the rain. And we already bought our tickets, so let's see what happens.
Germany, oh my brother, Germany, you have to get ready. You have to have energy. I want to see everybody get crazy. Put your hands in the air. Hands in the air. Put your hands in the air. Hands in the air. Put your hands in the air. Hands in the air. Flip it like a flipper. Flip it like a flipper. Dominican Republic. Hands in the air. Everybody hands in the air. Hands up. Jump, 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 jump.
Juraste nunca estar conmigo y eso se rompió. Tú muy bien sabes quién fue el que te dio, el que en tu cuerpo la llama prendió.
now we're leaving the party and we're just walking to the car, and then we're gonna head straight home. So yeah, the rain actually started falling while we were at the party, but then it didn't fall so hard, and they gave us these garbage bags. These raincoats made out of plastic that looks like garbage bags. So I guess everybody got 1 or 2 of them if you needed it, in case the rain came down harder. But I didn't put it on because the rain wasn't so hard tonight, so it was just drizzling a little bit. So luckily for me, it didn't come hard, because girl, I was worried about this wig getting too wet, because you know I only use my got to be glued, and I don't want this thing to start falling off my head because of all this water falling on it. But anyways, we're going to the car now, and then maybe we stop at McDonald's or somewhere and get some food because I'm starving, and then we're going straight home.
Oh, danke.
So we just came back home and it was so great. I had such an amazing night, and now I'm super tired, so I'm just gonna take my makeup off and get some sleep. So I will see you guys very soon. Mwah.